Casement Windows High Springs is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. Our expert window contractors in High Springs, Florida, specialize in installing energy-efficient windows that not only improve your home's appearance but also reduce energy costs. Whether you're interested in vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wooden casement windows, we have the perfect solution for your needs. Window repair services in High Springs are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team provides comprehensive window frame repair and window glass replacement services to ensure your windows remain in top condition. From storm windows to double-glazed windows, we handle all types of window repairs with precision and care. Energy-efficient windows in High Springs are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our custom casement windows in Florida are designed to provide superior insulation and reduce energy consumption. With our window installation and window weatherproofing services, you can enjoy a comfortable indoor environment year-round while saving on utility bills. Custom Casement Windows High Springs offer a unique blend of style and functionality. Our window design consultation services in High Springs help you choose the perfect casement window styles to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer traditional or modern designs, our experts will guide you through the selection process to ensure your satisfaction. Window replacement in High Springs, Florida, is a seamless process with our experienced team. We offer a wide range of options, including vinyl casement windows High Springs and aluminum casement windows Florida, to suit your specific needs. Our window measurement services in High Springs, Florida ensure a perfect fit for every installation, guaranteeing optimal performance and aesthetics. Vinyl casement windows in High Springs are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our window maintenance High Springs services include regular cleaning and inspections to keep your windows looking and functioning like new. Trust our window cleaning services Florida to maintain the clarity and shine of your windows. Aluminum casement windows High Springs are known for their strength and sleek appearance. Our window sealing services High Springs ensure that your aluminum windows provide maximum energy efficiency and protection against the elements. With our window weatherproofing Florida solutions, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Wooden casement windows in High Springs offer a timeless charm and natural beauty. Our window hinge repair High Springs and window lock installation High Springs, Florida services ensure that your wooden windows operate smoothly and securely. Enhance your home's security and style with our expert window contractor High Springs, Florida services. Double-glazed windows in High Springs, Florida provide excellent insulation and noise reduction. Our window screen installation High Springs, Florida services add an extra layer of protection against insects and debris. Enjoy the benefits of double-glazed windows with our professional installation and maintenance services. Window maintenance High Springs is crucial for preserving the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window frame repair High Springs and window glass replacement Florida services address any issues promptly and effectively. Keep your windows in top condition with our comprehensive maintenance solutions.